Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring safety and isolating power. Disconnect the truck battery negative to avoid shorts. Next, remove the trailer plug and inspect pins and housing for corrosion, bent pins, or broken wires to see the failure mode. Use a multimeter to confirm which circuits are dead so you know which wires need attention. Once you know which pins are faulty, clean contacts with contact cleaner and a brush, and prepare replacement parts or terminal repair kit to begin repairs. Now you repair the damaged conductors and restore reliable contact. Cut back to clean copper, strip 1/4 inch, and either solder or use quality crimp butt connectors for a solid joint. Replace any corroded pins or the entire plug housing if pins are loose. Reassemble and test continuity on each circuit with a multimeter so you verify proper connections. Make sure to seal joints with heat shrink and apply dielectric grease inside the plug to prevent future corrosion, and secure routing to avoid chafing. Finish by reconnecting the battery and testing every trailer function while someone operates brake and indicator controls. Check tail lights, turn signals, brakes, and reverse lamp operations. If a circuit still fails, isolate the fault by probing at the connector pin while backprobing at the source. Check ground continuity and related fuses next, because a bad ground or blown fuse often mimics wiring failure. If intermittent issues persist, replace the entire harness and confirm seals. Finally, reapply dielectric grease and torque any mounting fasteners.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.